McLennan County and Central Texas, East Central Correo County and Central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oglesby and McGregor, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Waco, Gatesville, Hewitt, Robinson, Woodway, McGregor, Beverly Hills, Lorena, Bruceville Eddy, Moody, Crawford, Lake Waco, Mother Neff State Park, Oglesby, South Mountain, Woodson, Osage, Correo City, Willow Grove and Leon Junction. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 315 and 329. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.